Jamie, have you used a cloud storage application like Dropbox or OneDrive before?
Yes, I've used both in the past.
Okay, you'll be familiar with Google Drive then. It's a browser-based application that allows you to keep all of the work that you're doing in Google Workspace in one place, and you can collaborate and organize as you need right in that spot.
That sounds really great. Can you show me how it works?
I'd love to. We can launch it from the application launcher and then click on the Drive icon.
Wow, there's a lot going on there.
Yes, it can feel a little chaotic depending on how your brain works, but I'll show you that you can reorganize this differently if you wish.
Okay, perfect.
Okay, so starting out, we have the power of the Google search. And I really love this because you can type in whatever you need. So I'm just going to type in the word newsletter, or at least start. And if I hit enter, now I see I have a lot of files for newsletter, but I don't have a way to organize them. So I want to create a new folder. That's easy to do by clicking on the New button and New Folder. I'll call it Newsletter and click the Create. So now that I've created the new folder, I'm going to search again for Newsletter so that everything comes up, including the folder. You'll notice that these are different types of files. Some of them are Google Sites, some are Docs, and some are Sheets. But Google Drive is all about organizing everything, so all of these will be able to move to that folder. So I will click the bottom file, I'll hold down my Shift key, and I'll click the top file. Now that I see that everything is highlighted, I can drag that entire entity. Now, I know I've got this right if I have the number 5. I'm going to drop them into the newsletter folder and just release. So now you can see that all of them have landed in that folder successfully. If you're used to seeing them disappear, Jamie, it's okay, they're in the right spot. If we look at their location on the far right-hand side, you'll see that they are where they are supposed to be. Now they're in the newsletter folder.
Oh, that's because we're still in the search results page, right?
Exactly. It's good that you noticed that because that filter of the search is what's controlling what we're seeing in the center of the screen.